So the newer version, EIGRP, the newer version is 2.0.2.0015. The release version is 23. This is a newer one. If you take any old router and check, it will be small number, 1 dot something. This will be some small number. Okay. Now this is not so important. What I want to show you is I can say router EIGRP. You see, you can also give a name in this newer method. That name is locally significant. I would like to name this as onion. Name of this EIGRP instance is onion. Now, if you see here, now there is no network command, you see. There is no network command. There is no network command. The reason is you are inside a locally significant process name. You need to get into the autonomous system number. You need to get into IPv4 EIGRP address family. Right now, the EIGRP do not know whether you are going to configure an IPv4 or IPv6 EIGRP. It do not know. You understand what I'm trying to say? See, if you don't use name, then if you're using IPv6, then you will say IPv6 EIGRP. IPv6 router router EIGRP 100. You understand? If it is IPv4, you will simply say router EIGRP 100. So EIGRP knows what you are trying to configure. But if you simply say a name, onion, eggplant, then it is not having a clear info what you are trying to do. Router is not having any clear picture whether you are trying to configure EIGRP for IPv6 or EIGRP for IPv4. So what we need to do is we need to say address family and say I am planning to do IPv4. See, you have IPv4 and IPv6. Okay. You need to say I'm planning to do IPv6, sorry, v4. And then unicast. And then autonomous system number. Even if you don't say unicast, it is okay. Even if without unicast, you can type autonomous system number. Nothing wrong. Because the default is unicast only. Now address family IPv4 autonomous system number 100. Understand? Now router knows that you want to run IPv4 EIGRP, and that EIGRP will be member of autonomous system 100. Now if you say network, you have the command. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. And then network 10.0.0. There is no need to say no auto summary because by default this newer version will not do summarization. So let's go and verify this. You see show IP protocol, slightly different it looks. EIGRP 100, you see virtual instant name onion, and the address family is for IPv4. You understood? The autonomous system number is 100. Now the same thing, let's see how it looks if you are doing old method. Router 2, router EIGRP 100, network 10.0.0.0, network 2000. Okay, now I want to compare and show you the output difference. Show IP protocol. To compare this one with that one, router 2 is running old method, router 1 is running new method. And where is the difference? Here you don't have process ID. Yeah, you have onion here, right? You don't have that. All those things are there. Address family is not here. And then this is okay. Metric weight is okay. RIB routing information base K, 128 bytes for the calculation of metric. 128 bit, not byte. Bits are used. Okay. Here there is no mention about that because here it is only 32 bit. And then whole time is here same. Metric version is 64 bit. Sorry, this is buffer only. Buffer size is 128. Bit is 64. This is 32 bit actually. It's not mentioned. And then a few other informations you see, which is not here. And then this is like network state change notification something NFS aware route. Means if there is any change, how long it will hold. Kind of timeout. It's non-stop forwarding, not network state change something. Non-stop forwarding aware route. So without stopping, to forward the route, you need a buffer, the data plane, so that when there is some change in the what to say, the control plane information, it won't immediately impact the forwarding plane. It won't immediately impact the data plane. A kind of a buffer which holds it for 240 seconds. Not so important because you asked, I'm trying to answer this. And what about the other things here? Not much difference I see, only reasonable. Here max path is 4. Yeah. Okay, here also variance 1. You see, the summarization is disabled on both. Okay. MND. Both are having operating system newer version only. Only the method I used is old method. Right. So you can see they have already formed neighbor. Router 2 is showing router 1 as the gateway. Router 1 is showing router 2 as the gateway. Yeah. For 5 minutes, 14 seconds. It's up. You got it. Now let us go and verify. Not much in the output. Show IP OSPF neighbor. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. You can see the neighborship. Now let me go and enable the newer version in R3. Router EIGRP. What to say? Garlic is very costly in India now. Garlic. It has gone to 400 rupees per kg now. So address family, yeah. Address family IPv4 unicast. Autonomous system, unicast is not mandatory. Autonomous system is 100. This is very important to match. This will match. And the networks are 10 and 3. Now, if I ping from here 1.1.1.1 with source of 3.3.3.3, the ping should happen. It's happening. Now, what is next? Next is I would like to ping between router 1 to router 4, but router 4 is running RIP. Let's run RIP on router 3 also. Interface Ethernet 0/1, sorry, router RIP network 34, no auto summary, version 2. Also on router 4, let's wait. Okay. See, if you don't want to see, I'm going to make the same mistake again. It won't make me wait like this. For that, you need to say no IP domain lookup. Okay. Now you see, let's make the same mistake. CONFF. You see, immediately it came out. You see, you understand? See, but if I do the same hello in R3, see what happens. It is searching for that hello by sending it as a broadcast. No one is going to respond. It will wait till the timeout happens. You understand? It will try 3 times. But here what I said is no IP domain lookup, meaning don't keep searching. Don't do lookup. Okay, now let's enable router RIP version 2, no auto summary, network. Okay. Now, if you go to router 3, you should see RIP routes. Wait some time. This is the problem it's pinging now. What happened? Why I'm not learning? RIP is running on this interface and it is version 2. RIP is running on this 2 interface and it is version 2. Now what is the problem then? I'm just trying to troubleshoot. Okay, this is sending RIP version 2. Good. But I'm not learning any update from router 3. So let me go to router 3 and shut down that interface 01 for a while. And then I'll bring it up. Maybe shutting down and bringing it up may do something. I'm just sending. Okay, received version 2. Now it is good. Received version 2. Now it looks good. Now let me go to router 3 and check the routing table. Show IP route break. I'm doing some mistake. Wait. It is up. I'm able to ping her. Why? That's not needed. Not necessary. Why do you need? I'm running OSPF in that interface. That's not the problem. I'm not seeing the update because I can see something like, oh, I think I did not type IP routing here. No, it is there. Anyhow, I'm just typing once, nothing wrong. Because I'm seeing it is suppressing, meaning it is not advertising 444. It's not advertising that 4.4.4.4. Let me do one thing. I'll remove version 2 and see. But it is not advertising that 4. In both the case, it is suppressing. I don't know why it is suppressing. It should not do like this. Hmm. I never seen something like this before. Ah, 44 it is advertising. I don't know something wrong with 4. It is not advertising 4. Okay, it looks good now. I'll say version 2 now, both side. I will be learning now 44 without any problem. You see, you're learning 44. There's some problem with the network 4. I don't know why. The loopback. I'll remove that loopback. Maybe I'll put again. Okay, now I can see 4 is also getting advertised. Okay, I just removed and put, that's all. It's not the problem with our configuration. It's some issue with the thing. Router RIP, you see, you're learning. Okay, now our aim is to see how to do redistribution in the newer EIGRP. Router EIGRP, no, this is newer version, garlic. And then, wait, let me see what the spelling I gave. Show IP protocol. Garlic spelling, what I gave, GARLIC. Okay. That's right. Now I need to go to address family. And then redistribute will not be here. You see, redistribute is not here. There is something called topology base. See, it is related to topology, no? In your network design, one side you have RIP, another side you have EIGRP. So it is something related to the topology. So you need to go under the topology base and try redistribution. You will find it out. Redistribute RIP, and then the K values. 1000, delay 10, reliability 100, load 10, MTU 1500. That's it. Okay, afterwards, yes. See, you are taking RIP routes and giving it to EIGRP. So EIGRP follows this 5 metric, no? That's why I'm saying. What metric you want to give to all those RIP given routes? I'm saying give this metric. So this is what going to be used in the algorithm, dual algorithm, to calculate the composite value for those RIP given routes. Any question? Now I'll go under RIP and say redistribute EIGRP. Don't give onion or any number garlic here. Say autonomous system number 100, and then metric in the hop count. Now you're taking EIGRP route and giving to RIP, which uses only the hop count. You understand? So give some small number. I'm giving 4. It need not to be accurate. Okay. Now if you go to router 1, you should see the routes from RIP. Show IP protocol. Sorry, show IP route EIGRP. You see those EX 170 are coming from other protocol. Likewise, if you go to router 4 and type show IP route RIP, you can see those networks coming from EIGRP. Ping 11111 with a source of 44. I'm able to ping. So you just try to